In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get your split leap in under 5 minutes. Alright, so for your split leap, you're just going to need a nice solid split. Once you have your split, you have the main part of your split leap already. Next, you just have to learn the prep to it and the finish of it. The prep, you basically have to split it up into different pieces. You want the opposite leg of your split in front. So my good leg split is with my right in front. So I'm having my left leg starting out in front. When I do this, I'm kind of just doing a gallop. So just watch my feet here. It's a nice gallop. My right leg's gonna come up. I'm gonna have an extension at my waist level, and from there it's just kind of going into that split. Nice solid gallop with it. And then if you have a left good leg split that you're trying to do your leap with, then your right leg comes in front and you're just galloping like this. Feet come together, right comes out. So that's the main part with your gallop. So from here, you're just gonna not worry about your hands for now. Have your hands come out. You're going to do your gallop. Opposite leg comes extended up into that step. Try to focus on that and just speeding it up. So once you're there, it should look like that. Boom, boom. So from there, this is where you're just going to keep on adding more power and really trying to get that leg a little higher in your split. You want to make it a little bit more flowy. You can make this more flowy by practicing without the galloping part. You can kind of just start like this. Opposite leg is coming like this. Trying to make it feel a little more flowy. So once you start adding more power with that gallop, like this, notice how I'm kicking my legs out. It's almost like you're doing a split jump, but you're going more towards forward in your split leap. So kind of like this. Notice how I kick it out. Notice how this doesn't fully just come extended. There's a little bit of a bend to it as it kind of kicks out once it hits that full split position. Kicks out. If you're having trouble getting this back leg up to match the height of your front leg, I want you to notice how after this gallop, this leg is bent, and from here, it's going to give me that momentum to kind of jump up. So you're going to use that momentum to kick your leg back. So let me show you. Bend, kick, just like that. All right, from there, you should be able to have the bottom part of your split leap. Basically, gallop into that split leap. It's going to take a little bit of practice to really get the strength to kick your legs up in an even split in the air. But now we're going to start working on our hands to make it look more natural and flowy and have more style. So how I like to do it is I like to start with my hands crossed like this, and it kind of comes under like this. And I do that as I'm galloping. So this part is like this. Notice how once my gallop is here and I'm back with this front leg in front, arms come back like this. Because when you're doing this, that's when you're in your split position and your arms are coming back for your split leap. So we're gonna do it with very subtle arm movements. Here, comes back. And from there, you want your split leap to kind of have this hand movement. Just like this. And notice how it's kind of like this. From there, combining it all together, really going with the flow back. And you can also do a little bit of an arch, have your head come back a little bit just to give it more of that elevated leap style. And there you have it. That is your split jump. There's also different styles to do it. You don't have to do this way. Sometimes I kind of just like to do a running start. Basically, I'll just have my hands kind of all over the place, but it looks decent enough. So I'll just kind of do a circle motion. So you don't always have to go with that style.